Today, we're introducing EXCETEK's new line of wire-cut EDM machines, the NPL series, consisting of a 400 size, a 500 size, a 600 size, with our complete automation solution. Today we're introducing EXCETEK's new line of EDM drilling machines consisting of a 400 size, a 600 size, and an 800 size. With our new touchscreen controls, our 8-position electrode changer, and our 5-position guide changer, along with our rotary tilt table. Today we're introducing EXCETEK's new line of die sinker EDM equipment with the rise and fall tank and total automation. Will consist of a 400 size and a 600 size machine.